I nominated Love and Lashes because over the duration of our partnership, they've demonstrated true enthusiasm and dedication to apprenticeships and training, offering apprenticeship opportunities to 7 young people in their local area, and they have a real investment and invested interest in investing in the local community via apprenticeships.
My name is Dion Thomas. I am the owner and founder and overall manager for Love and Lashes, which is a salon. We also are a training academy, and we also have a products line as well. When Owen told me the news, I was beside myself. I couldn't believe it. I think any employer will kind of agree that, you know, employing staff can come with its challenges at times, you know, but it is also the most rewarding thing to do. I mean, I have girls that come, so we're a beauty business, and our main thing is lashes. So I have girls that come and they have absolutely no experience at all. They have no confidence, and just kind of seeing them develop not only in their skills but also in themselves and grow their confidence, not only in, like I say, the skills, but in themselves, and just sort of having the confidence and the courage to interact with customers, and just kind of seeing their journey and seeing how much they have changed from like the beginning to even like 2, 3, 4 months down the line is just definitely the best part about this, 100%.